Hey, so today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. This specific model is equipped with the 2-liter naturally aspirated engine. So to complete this oil change, you'll need the following items: gloves for your hands, oil for the car, the oil filter for the car, the drain plug gasket for the car, a funnel and a drain pan, rags, oil filter pliers, a paint pen, a 10mm socket, a 17mm socket, a 3/8 ratchet, and the owner's manual. So we'll get started by getting the car up on these ramps. These aren't required, but they do make the job a lot easier. It's very important to make sure you set the parking brake before getting under the vehicle, and we can go ahead and open the hood at the same time as well. So as we get underneath the vehicle, we see the cover that we have to remove to access the drain plug. These are 10mm bolts, and you'll just remove these and pop this cover right off. Next, I put the drain pan in place. I just use my finger as a guide to figure out where to set the drain pan so it gets everything. We'll then use the 17mm socket to open up the drain pan plug and drain the oil. Once that starts draining, you can go ahead and open the fill cap to help the oil drain. Once that's done draining, you can go ahead and clean up any residual oil and reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket. Next, we'll remove the old oil filter, and this is accessed from the same cover as the drain plug. Make sure you move your oil pan to catch any oil that comes out when you remove the filter. An important note is to make sure that the old gasket came off with the old oil filter. We then apply fresh oil to the new filter's gasket and install it hand tight. I then mark the kilometers on the vehicle and the date that the oil change was completed on the new filter. You can open your owner's manual to page 8-8. This shows you the oil capacity for each engine and the minimum specifications required. You can then reference this to the back of the oil that you can purchase to make sure that you are meeting the manufacturer's specifications for the oil. On the following page, there is a chart with oil viscosities and the air temperatures you'll be operating in. This is important for determining what oil viscosity you're going to purchase. An important note for Hyundai owners is that there are 2 maintenance schedules, one for normal conditions and one for severe conditions. You should note which conditions you fall under. Under normal conditions, Hyundai requires that the engine oil and filter is replaced every 12,000 kilometers or 12 months. Under severe conditions, Hyundai requires that the engine oil and filter is replaced every 6,000 kilometers or 6 months. We can now go ahead and fill the engine back up with fresh oil. Make sure that you're checking on the dipstick to make sure that you do not overfill the engine. Once you've filled the engine to the max mark, you can go ahead and start the car up for about 10 seconds. What this does is creates oil pressure in the system and fills the filter housing. You can then shut the vehicle off and let it rest on a level surface. You then can check the oil level and top it up until it's at the full mark on the dipstick. You can then reinstall the cover previously removed from underneath the vehicle, and you're all done. I do encourage anybody that does oil changes to double check the oil level over the next few days just to make sure that the drain plug is tight and the oil filter isn't leaking. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for future videos.